as soon as I entered that relationship with Cyrano, everything has been seamless. It's going to extend your resources and make your life just easier. I already knew that I wanted to grow some video content without furthering education. Without getting some training, I was very limited on what I could do. There's so much that we want to get out there. Being able to have the resource of Cyrano was a huge deal. It's like I walked through a whole door I didn't know about. They literally have every document that is like word for word of what I need to do. If I did have a question about anything, made a phone call, answered immediately, no big deal. Has literally walked me through step by step, even in my ignorance, has been able to help me be successful. I literally got a box in the mail. It was so easy. It gave me directions on how to open, how to use, how to charge. It literally is so easy. Cyrano specializing in healthcare videos is pretty incredible. They didn't once make it feel intimidating at all. They've made it fun, exciting, and just really inspirational.